of press media in Visakhapatnam. Myself, R.K. Agrawal, Managing Director, Indore Infoline Private Limited, Indore. We are the organizer of upcoming Industrial and Engineering Exhibition Indexpo at Gadiraju Palace, starting from tomorrow for 3 days, 16, 17, 18th of March 2013. This is the first industrial exhibition in Visakhapatnam, connecting MSME units, upgrading the technology in manufacturing service sector in Visakhapatnam. Indore Infoline is organizing exhibitions across the country since 2009 and in more than 12 cities, including Raipur, Nagpur, Jaipur, Kolkata, Jamshedpur. We connect the industries with local manufacturers, suppliers to generate employment, business and technology upgradation in that particular state. This upcoming Indore Infoline has already done 65 exhibitions in 12 cities. Now we have taken the responsibility to organize this exhibition in Visakhapatnam. About 100 exhibitors are participating here in this exhibition, being the first exhibition, industrial and machinery exhibition. About 100 exhibitors are participating in this exhibition, coming across the country. Most of the people are from Visakhapatnam also. Some people from Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, Bombay, Delhi. These people have come here and displaying their products. They are inviting the local people for dealers, distributorship, logistics, C&F. So many opportunities are here for industrial suppliers, industrial dealers, distributors to get new business from these companies. There is also very good opportunities for startups. If anybody wants to start a business in Visakhapatnam, maybe startup, maybe new entrepreneur, maybe new student, they can get the opportunity to meet here and get the opportunity to do a new business. This exhibition will generate a good number of employment here in Visakhapatnam, and in coming days there will be more opportunities for business development in Visakhapatnam through these exhibitors. Visakhapatnam, and we call it YJ, is a big industrial town, and most of the suppliers who are manufacturing products, they are coming from outside, from Hyderabad, Pune, Bombay, Chennai, Coimbatore. So there is a very good scope here to start new industries. Government is also very positive. Recently they have organized investors meet, which was very, very fruitful. So there is a focus. And for your information, most of the investment, Andhra is on the top list in investment across the country in all states. So everybody is eyeing, everybody is looking opportunities in Andhra Pradesh, and Visakhapatnam being the main city and old city also, like dockyard, shipyard, port is here. So it provides a very good opportunity for the development of industries in Visakhapatnam. It attracts lot of visitors from the country to invest here, to start industry here. So future is very good. So this exhibition is a platform. It is a network between the industry for their requirement of plant, equipment and machineries, and the suppliers. Suppliers are coming and they look for the requirement of the industry, what industry requires. So the suppliers will supply those products, equipment, technology to these companies. This year our focus in this exhibition, this year the focus in this exhibition is also on solar energy, because government is putting much stress, much interest in developing the solar energy and solar plants in every state. Lot of schemes are coming and the cost has come down heavily. So we have some exhibitors who are explaining the concept, technology, integrators, how solar plants can be installed in the factory, on your rooftop, how solar energy can be produced, and at an economical rate also. So these solar service providers are here. They are displaying their products. They are displaying their technology, how best you can make energy and power out of solar energy. So you will find lot of people here in solar energy also, which is the need of the today for each and every one. You see, solar is very important. Solar energy is very going to be the main source of energy in future also. Second is electric vehicles. We have some participants who are displaying the electric vehicle also. So this way we have tried to cover many aspects of the industry, particularly automation, material handling, because it is a continuous process. Upgradation in the industry is a continuous process, and this exhibition will provide and will help in developing the industry here in automation, cost reduction. Many benefits are there and multiple benefits are there for this exhibition. This exhibition is going to be inaugurated by Shri Arun Kanti Bakji, who is the director at Vizag Steel Plant, Director Operations in Vizag Steel Plant, and Shri D. Chandrasekhar Rao, who is the Additional Development Commissioner of MSME. Most important is this exhibition is approved and supported by MSME Ministry, Government of India. They are providing subsidy to participants on rental charges. Whoever is participating, they have a scheme and guidelines. Under that, participants can get subsidy on the rental charges up to 100%.